Hundreds of trams pass over this bridge every day.
This bridge is very old and needs to be replaced. We have already delivered a new one.
The new bridge is very cool. New tracks, traffic light. Great idea, but how can we do this if there's a lot of passenger traffic?
I have already ordered a tower crane.
I even can't imagine it. Okay, let's get to work. This line is not only for trams. The local trains also go through it.
We are ready to get started.
Stop! Local train is on bridge. Stop it urgently. Ooh! Back the train urgently. We need to apologize to the passengers.
I'm sorry.
Look, new bridge is already done. It's looking better than old one. Cool. Let's try it. Wow, it's more better. Trams thanks you and passengers too.
You are welcome.
If you like this video, press like and subscribe on our channel. See you next time. Bye bye.